I call flash. Everybody back up.
Don't spray it. Don't waste it.
Alright, Bronson, fuck it.
Hey, put it. Hey, look at that little spot right there. Put it right in there, and put the metal in facing down, because that's where it blows out at.
Who's gonna get in the trash
Alright,
can?
right now we're about to throw an axe can in the fire.
I'll get in it.
We're just gonna make a pretty one, Bronson.
Throw the metal part down in that little hole.
Hello.
Bronson, get in this. Bronson, get in here.
All right, now. No, stop wasting it. And close the cap so nothing leaks out.
No, seriously, someone get in the trash can and
Alright.
just sit right there.
Travis.
Travis, do it.
Bronson, give me that.
Get in it.
Travis, just do it.
Alright, you can't see anything right now, but Travis is about to get in the trash can. We're gonna flip it over. He's gonna sit right next to the fire.
It smells awful.
I can't see junk.
My battery's too dead.
Hey, who has a flash on their phone?
I don't have a flash.
My battery's dead.
Did it die?
No, my battery's broken.
All right, hey, let's hurry up and do this.
Yeah, hurry up, man.
Alright.
Oh God, it smells. Get in.
Don't spray
Come on,
it.
it's gonna be a
Oh my God.
lifetime.
Hurry up.
Then I won't be able to see the flames and I'll get pushed down the hill.
Guys, I'm getting cold.
I'll show you the video.
Alright, you guys have to promise.
The metal end has to go right in that hole.
Push it on there. Alright, get in.
No, you gotta get down.
I'm just gonna stay. I can't even fit in here.
No, come on, just flip it over.
Get out.
Yeah, crouch on the ground. Crouch on the ground and we'll put it on top of
Facing
you.
that way.
No.
You fucking idiot. Give me this.
Now crouch.
Now put your face
Now
in.
crouch. Get in the fetal
No,
position.
Get close.
You have to be close, you vagina.
Get in
Travis,
there.
get closer. You're in a fucking trash can.
Make sure your face is facing the fire.
Legs on top of it.
Alright, throw it in.
Alright, that's good enough. Alright.
Ah!
No, Travis,
Just
that's good.
stay.
Alright, now
Just
stay
stay.
right there. Travis, get in there.
Travis.
Yo, hurry up.
Travis, come on.
Fives on this thing.
I have 5s on my seat that's
Get in,
burning.
crouch.
Hold my hat.
Is that your Jack Daniels?
Yeah, buddy.
Bronson.
It's right there. It's fine. That the hat costs like $1.
Oh my fucking God, Bronson, my phone's about
Bronson,
to
crouch
go.
down first.
Look at him. There's no way.
Yo, who has the can?
Alright, that's good enough.
Make sure the metal part goes in.
Bottom?
Yes, because that's where it blows out at. And make sure it gets right in that hole.
You jackass.
Yes! That is perfect. Oh my God.
The holding basket.
Bronson, run! Oh my gosh. I got it here.
I'm standing like 10 feet away from the fire right now. It's about to
We're
freaking
gonna
blow
die.
up.
Shit. What the fuck?
Oh my God.
Come on, that better explode.
Who opened it?
Oh my holy pig! Oh my gosh.
OMG. That would have been so good if you were so
Where'd the can? Oh my gosh, look at the can. It's right in there.
Someone grab it.
Yeah, let's fucking grab it. That's a genius idea. Right in there. It's burning.
Get it out.
Now I get my chair.